Hi ma'am, so for Aero Atso, Teachers Day Special Bali po, we are gonna ask you perspectives bilang isang professor ng PhilS ka ma'am. And ano po yung parang mga naiisip niyo tungkol po sa mga students or bilang isang professor, bilang isang educator po?
Yung feeling ng every start, siyempre excited. But at the back of my mind, ang iniisip ko, ay mawawala na yung mga estudyanteng nanjojong sa akin.
Yung mga kukulit.
Yung ano,
Lagi namang exciting, tsaka masaya. Oo, kasi nakakatuwa naman na may memorizing ko na naman ng panibagong pangalan, ilalapat ang mukha sa apelido ng estudyante. Pag makakasalubong mo, dapat mailalapat mo kung anong section rin siya. Lagi kong ginagawa yun, di ba, Frigiliano, ng dating 1-2.
Ay,
Ayun.
kilala ko.
Yes.
Kahit sino mang dumaan dito, kilala nyo na agad.
Namumukhaan ko sila
Namumukhaan.
majority at minsan nalalapat ko talaga.
Ano yung mga makukulit ma'am?
Ay, mas lalong memorize ko yun. Di ba best friend ko sila?
Kailangan assure na ito na yung magiging course nila.
Opo.
Kasi ito yung future nila. Dapat kailangan, kung napilitan sila sa course nila kasi walang choice, kailangan nilang i-embrace kasi kailangan nilang mahalin itong course na ito.
umaasa ako na palaging maiiba yung kultura. Maiiba yung generation character.
And at the same time, I don't believe in in kailangang matutunan mo lahat ang bawat subject.
Okay.
Kailangang maging pinaka-importante kasi sa isang estudyante maging competitive yung tinatawag na where are you after graduation.
Ay, siya ay nai-envision ko pag umaga na, papasok ako. Alam ko na, yung formula. Ay, eto si ganito ang makikita ko. Lagi siyang masaya. Yun lang ang palagi ang simpleng envision ko.
Kung may pagkukulang isang estudyante, ito yung kaya may tinatawag na intervention. So, hindi para gawing miserable yung buhay ninyo. Kasi baka kung saan pa mapunta yan.
Learning must be fun, especially in your generation that you grew up with a lot of funny things. Funny things, you have the internet na mabilis yung pacing ng cognitive behavior and even the behavioral, and you are so much affected by external factor which seemingly na makes you happy.
Kasi hindi naman ako tatagal ng 15 years sa pagtuturo. Noon kasi natuto ko sa industry ng ng actual ng pag-practice. Pero kaya hindi na ako bumalik after na-experience ko yung teaching. Iba yung fulfillment na natuturuan mo sila at naiintindihan ka nila. Which you don't get that fulfillment kung production operator yung kausap mo.
When it comes to academics, at the same time yung values. And hindi kayo nandito para gawing miserable yung buhay niyo.
At the same time, ikaw na professor na matanda na, may enjoy mo rin. Especially yung speak their language so that you can understand them. For them, it's fun already. And for me, it's also fun.
Kailangan makisabay kami sa trend ngayon, like ako, like kami sa edad namin ay late 40s. So iba yung sa generation ninyo, magkaiba. So kami yung dapat mag-adjust, umabot kung ano yung style ninyo.
Yung concept ng ivory tower. Yung ivory tower na yun, nagiging comfort zone niya. At pag naging ivory tower ka na as a professor, akala mo ikaw na lagi yung tama. Without looking at the horizon in the environment, I debunked the idea, especially when I was designated dito sa extension service.
Ang nagpapa-better educator sa amin ay estudyante. Kasi every year, iba-iba naman ang personality yan. Iba-iba rin ang ugali yan. Kaya doon mo malalaman na, ito na pala yung bagong henerasyon. Kaya every year, sila talaga ang primary contributor sa pagpapagaling ng pagtuturo.
For me, being a teacher, the longer you stay in the profession, the more grounded you need to be. It doesn't matter how great you are inside my class. What matters most is when you go home in the afternoon, you ask yourself, is it ethical? And that's what makes a better professor.
Kasi minsan yung culture kasi keep on changing. So in school, kailangan kami as educators makisabay kami
Sama yung mga
sa agos. Hindi pwedeng jologs.
Ano ang pinakamahirap na subject sa akin?
Ano po?
ethics.
Uy?
Oh, I teach ethics.
Tapos nahihirapan rin kayo, sir?
At doon din ako mahihirapan.
Parang wala naman kasi kapag mahal mo kung anong ginagawa mo, walang mahirap.
Tama.
Yung naka-hardest subject, PE, tsaka drawing. Hindi ko makita yung drawing tsaka yung PE.
Yung ethics, nagiging mahirap siya sa pamantayan ko bilang mag-aaral kasi kailangan mo isang buhay. Eh kung yung ethics as a subject, it's dynamic and evolving and most of the times relative ba? Na kung minsan, masasacrifice mo nga yung ethics mo eh.
Ang hirap lang naman kasi kapag ayaw mo yung ginagawa mo.
Tama.
Napipilitan ka. Pero pag
Napipilitan.
ito yung gustong-gusto mo, ito yung tinatawag na passion mo, masaya
Opo.
ka, madali lang.
Dali lang. Kahit yung tinutuloy ni Sir Leo na math, madali lang, ma'am.
Ewan ko sa inyo kasi ang math sa akin kasi ayoko ng math, no? Ewan ba?
I-absorb mo siya. Yung mababasa mo at matututuhan mo. Between good and bad, that's what makes the subject difficult.
Drawing, ma'am, Engdro.
Alam niyo naman, di ako nakakita, di ba, ng
Ay.
three-dimensional. So, may memorizing ko. I'll be heavily dependent again on the lab of my classmates sa drawing. At saka PE.
In everything you do, you give your best. Kailangan you enjoy what you're doing. Para hindi ka magsisisi pagdating ng araw.
For the professors, learn from the outside first before teaching. Then, when you start teaching, love teaching and also understand your students, not only sa subject nyo lang. Kasi doon yun eh. It's beyond. It's not only about the content, but also your students.
Para sa mga kapwa ko nag-aalay ng buhay nila sa profesyon ito, na unang-una, sinasabi natin, hindi naman ito high-paying job as compared to the other executives in the government, other sector, but you gain my respect. The fact that you choose teaching is noble in itself. Only very few ay magtsatsaga. Because it's 24/7. Kaya fellow educators, tuloy lang tayo.
Then, for the students, please understand that you have your life and also your teachers have your life. So, listen to them during their time teaching you.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am,
Happy teachers to everyone.